that you intend to open. So people raise concern that this area was never in game park. And you are supposed to give us the clear boundary that affects Kitgum district.
Miro kimi lok maleng ikom wacho me bak ki wacho me kidma community mir betkede mir jono mi maleng wirchan.
Then two,
Mario,
we talks about the firms that are ready for compensation, and the numbers is worrying. You talk about 40, around 40 to 50.
Eno wajoni the dito lokom chente mechulo joma liejo timo bali potigi. Lokom dano pier ngwen machir pier bijiken. Eno luko tima pola dada.
And the suffering community cuts across Namokora, Kiteng, Orom East, Orom Sub-County.
Joma
is specific and clear on that.
Potigi ki family momegi duong mada aki Orom pangwe Namokora ni. Orom mo weng ki Namokora weng me community mo wan ticket gi.
Then lastly, they asked me to read certain article in Wildlife Act. Then you interpret it very well.
Okay, penyani any one article more machi Wildlife Act. Chila diti miorgonya mabere da kilwak.
That is 56.
Article Marilua Wangchik Marilua Pierre Beach,
which talks about attempted killing of wildlife.
Malo lokom kit makaini itemo neko le mage.
One reads,
Mechel Panoni.
A person may kill or attempt to kill wildlife in defense. Except that nothing in the section shall be liability of an offense. Therefore, this animal have very many people who survived the attack. Come and give some explanation to this article, clear interpretation. Because we are afraid we might lose many lives in pretense. And you are aware, these people have been coming. Actually, the network team really have been meeting this thing around where the incident of killing happened. And it is a serious insecurity to our people. Then lastly, on Kaka that we will be talked about, it was never proceeded to enter as even the district local government. So it is just like an ambush, and we don't know exactly their roles. You can clearly tell us the partnership between you and the Kaka. Thank you.